Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace this little button here. The video is divided into two parts. I'll show you the second part later. This little piece was broken when I bought the car. Unfortunately I didn't realize that, like Murphy's Law usually is. But it's not the end of the world, it's not that expensive. I bought it from BMW itself. You have to buy the entire set. Now there it is. So unfortunately you have to buy this little piece here as well. But as you can see, mine is still fine. There's nothing wrong with that. I don't have to replace that. Murphy's Law again says when I'm going to pull this off I'm going to break it. It's not that difficult. It is a little bit of a tight fit, but eventually if you pull on it it will come loose. But I'm just going to leave it like that and just keep this one for a spare. So only piece you get the normal cover as well here, just the black one if you want to replace that one over there. But the one that we want to replace is this auto one. I thought when I saw this broken, I thought, oh hell, I'm gonna have to either replace the entire unit or whatever the case may be, or I'm gonna have to remove everything, and this part sort of comes here on the inside, but it doesn't. This part comes on last. So yeah, it's quite easy to just pop that on there. Okay, I've taken it out, and luckily it's one of these parts that is not too much of an issue to replace. Typical with these modern day cars, you know, I thought I'm going to have to replace the entire unit, but luckily in this instance it's not necessary. So you just basically put it on there and just press on it. Just make sure it's horizontal. Press it a little bit hard, not too hard. Just make sure it's in, and there we go. Simple as that. Now let's start the car and just see if the light comes on. There we go. The light is on, no problem. And that's it. Now my second part of the video today is about this door pull handle. Now, unfortunately, it's actually sad that a company like BMW can put crap like this together, because I've seen so many modern day BMWs. I don't know what type of material they'll use, but specifically here in the door handles, and specifically here on this F01 BMW 7 Series, it's a major problem. I've seen so many of these models where these handles have just deteriorated for all the use. Now, the sad news is if you want to replace this handle, it's going to cost you an arm and a leg, because apparently I went to BMW and they told me you have to replace the entire door panel just to get this. And it is a loose part that you can buy. You just can't buy it at BMW, and there's very few places where you can buy it. I saw some of these door handles, say for instance at AliExpress, but the shipping costs are about 4 times more than the part itself, so I just left it. Because this part, if you take away this fascia part, actually extends here and here, and there's bolts holding it together onto the door panel. And then I did some research and I came across this. You can buy it on Amazon, and it works out at about 480 Rand with shipping. So this is not really a replacement for the actual door handle, but it's a door handle cover, which basically covers this piece here. So what I'm going to show you now is basically just how to put it in, and it works like a charm. And after it's fitted, it looks nice. You can't even see the difference. Only an expert will be able to see the difference. So what you basically do is just fit it in there, and then just slowly start to work it in. Just make sure that you don't scratch the leather. You know when it's fully in. If it's level with this wooden fascia piece. And you'll also feel here at the bottom where it goes over the ridge here. There we go. You'll sort of feel it clicking. And that's it, look at that. This is one of the, you know, they say you must never go the cheap way. This is the cheapest way that I've done something which really looks just like the original. And I can honestly tell you that this works fine. So there you go. Go onto Amazon. If you've got a 7 Series with this type of problem, you can buy it for the driver's side, passenger side, the rear, no problem. Thanks for watching.